Look at this dumbass driving through it. And there's a cop right there.
Yeah, it's a wrap for you, buddy. It's a wrap for you. What?